You wake up at 3 a.m., and the world is silent. The streets are empty, the city sleeps, and even your own thoughts seem louder than usual. In this stillness, your heart feels heavier. The fears, regrets, and questions you carry weigh on you. At this moment, a door opens. It is not a door in your home. It is a door in your heart, a chance to speak to Allah in a way you cannot during the noise of the day. Tonight, you are not alone. There is something magical about 3 a.m. It is not magic you can see. It is the quiet that allows your soul to breathe. The world fades, and all that remains is you and your Creator. You do not need perfect words. You do not need a script. You only need honesty. Speak as you would to a trusted friend, but remember, this friend is the one who knows everything about you, even the things you hide from yourself. Start by opening your heart. Sit or kneel. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath. Let go of the stress, the fears, the doubts. Imagine you are holding all your worries in your hands and placing them gently in front of Allah. You do not have to fix anything. You do not have to explain yourself. Just bring your heart. Just bring your feelings. That is enough. Sometimes, words will not come. That is okay. Tears speak what the tongue cannot. Silence speaks what words cannot. Allah understands. Your pain, your longing, your hope, He knows it all. Do not rush to speak. Feel every beat of your heart. Let it pour. Let it ask. Let it cry. Let it trust. You might find yourself speaking about things you have never spoken out loud. Confessions you were too afraid to admit. Dreams you were too shy to hope for. Fears you thought were too small to matter. Let them come. Allah listens in ways no one else can. There is no judgment here, only mercy. There is no shame here, only love. As you speak, reflect on your life with honesty. Remember the moments you felt weak, the nights you felt lost, the times you questioned if anyone could understand. This is your moment to find clarity. Speak about your mistakes, but also speak about your gratitude. Even a small spark of thankfulness opens the heart. Speak about the simple blessings you ignore, like breath, warmth, or a heart that still beats despite the pain. Sometimes, talking to Allah at 3 a.m. is not about asking for big things. It is about healing. It is about comfort. It is about being heard when no one else listens. Imagine your worries floating into the darkness and dissolving in His presence. Imagine a weight lifting from your shoulders that you have carried for years. Imagine trust replacing fear, patience replacing despair, and hope replacing loneliness. You might notice that your heart begins to whisper truths you already knew but ignored. Strength has always been inside you, courage has always been inside you, and hope has always been inside you. Allah reminds you of this through the quiet, through the stillness, and through your own honesty. These moments are powerful because they are real, raw, and unseen. They are yours alone, yet connected to the eternal. As the hours pass, feel your soul align with a higher purpose. Speak not only for yourself, but for clarity in your actions, forgiveness in your heart, and light in your path. Pray for patience with yourself. Pray for patience with others. Pray for understanding when the world feels harsh. Pray for guidance, not because you are weak, but because seeking help is strength itself. Before you rise, sit in silence for a moment longer. Feel the calm that follows honesty. Feel the peace that follows surrender. Know that this conversation does not end here. It continues in your actions, in your gratitude, and in your renewed hope. The world may wake and challenges may return, but this night will remain in your heart as a source of strength you can always return to. Remember, talking to Allah at 3 a.m. is not about perfection. It is about presence. It is about connection. It is about love. Your heart may be broken, but it can heal. Your fears may be loud, but they can fade. Your path may feel uncertain, but guidance is never far when you speak to Him with honesty and trust. Tonight, Make it your secret. Make it your sacred time. Speak, cry, whisper, thank, hope, and trust. And when you leave this moment, carry the calm, carry the clarity, carry the courage. The world may not understand, but Allah does. And that is more than enough. If this message touched your heart, remember to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more reminders that bring your soul closer to peace. Speak to Allah tonight. Let your heart open. Let your trust grow. Let your soul breathe.